And Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Raisina Dialogue, India's flagship conference, will inaugurate India's flagship conference on geopolitics and geoeconomics on Monday. The 10th edition of the Raisina Dialogue will be held from the 17th, that's tomorrow, or on Monday, to the 19th in New Delhi. Prime Minister of New Zealand, Prasar Bharati, will join the inaugural session as the chief guest and deliver the keynote address. The 10th Raisina Dialogue will witness participation of representatives from about 125 countries, including ministers, former heads of state and heads of governments, military commanders, captains of the industry, technology, leaders, academics, journalists, among others. Over the course, decision makers and thought leaders of the world will engage each other across conversations in various formats over 6 thematic pillars. The theme of 2025 edition is Kal Chakra, People, Peace and Planet. Over 3,500 participants from about 125 countries will be joining the dialogue in person. India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar called on visiting New Zealand Prime Minister Christopher Luxon in New Delhi on Sunday. India is looking forward to Prime Minister Luxon's participation as the chief guest in the Raisina Dialogue. The minister appreciated the commitment to further deepening long-standing ties between the two countries. The Raisina Dialogue is India's flagship conference on geopolitics and geoeconomics. Earlier in the day, Prime Minister of New Zealand, Christopher Luxon, arrived in New Delhi on his first official visit. During the visit, Prime Minister will engage with talks with Prime Minister Modi on Monday, covering various aspects of the bilateral aspects of the relationship. The Prime Minister will be hosting a lunch in the New Zealand Prime Minister's honor, and the New Zealand Prime Minister is also scheduled to call on President Draupadi Murmu. The visit aims to strengthen bilateral ties between India and New Zealand across all sectors and deepen people-to-people connect. He will also visit Mumbai, where he will interact with Indian business leaders and representatives from various walks of life. Prime Minister Luxon will also be the chief guest and keynote speaker at the Raisina Dialogue, as we told you earlier.